With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is two smooth balls, that is capital A and capital B, each of mass small m and radius r, have the centers at 0, 0, r, that is for A, and 5r minus 5r comma minus r comma r, that is for B, respectively in a coordinate system as shown. Ball A moving along positive x-axis collide with the ball B just before the collision. Speed of the ball of A is 4 meters per second and B is stationary. The collision between the ball is elastic. Impulse of the force exerted by A and B during the collision is equal to. Alright, so we have to find the value of impulse. So first of all, impulse, what is impulse? Basically, impulse is basically over here will be change in momentum between A and B. Alright, so before that, what we have to find is, first let's understand the velocities that is acting on these blocks. Alright, now for block A, this is its center of mass and this is its velocity that we have been given as V. Let's suppose we have taken this as theta, so this will be V cos theta. Why we are considering this? Because this component is important, since this side will only be in contact with B. This is B, this is A, this is B sin theta. Alright, so when this A and B will collide, since B is at rest, alright, so this will be our scenario. This is A, this is B. Alright, this is its radius, so this is basically 2r, this is r, and with Pythagoras, if we use, this will be root 3 r. Alright, from here we can see that this is theta, that cos theta is equals to root 3 by 2 and sin theta is equals to 1 by 2. Right, so let's now observe a block, this sphere, that is B. This is sphere B and this is the x-axis. This will be V cos theta as we just derived, and for velocity of B, this will be in vector terms, that will be V cos theta into cos theta I cap minus sin theta j cap. Alright, after putting the value of sin theta and cos theta, we can get our value of VB, that will be 4 times root 3 divided by 2 into root 3 divided by 2 into I cap minus 1 by 2. Alright, simplifying this further, velocity for sphere B, this will be 3 I j cap meters per second. Alright, so now since we have the velocity for B and velocity for A during the collision, so now we can simply use that equation for impulse, that will be change in momentum. So impulse exerted by A on B, exerted by A on B, that is, this will be m, since both the spheres are given mass, identical mass, that is small m into VB minus m into UB. Since u was initially at rest, since b was initially at rest, this will be 0. Change in momentum comes as m into, we will get as m 3m I cap minus root 3m j cap. Alright, so this will be our impulse that is in between A and B, that was caused by basically on B by A. Alright, the impulse by A on B. Right, so yes, this will be our final answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.